Valentine's Day is the perfect time to slow down, get cozy, and make something sweet from scratch. Today, we're walking through easy DIY Valentine treats that are beginner-friendly, low-stress, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First up are heart-shaped sugar cookies, a classic Valentine favorite. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, softened, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the egg and vanilla extract, and mix until combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and baking powder. Gradually mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until a dough forms. Roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch thick, cut into heart shapes, and place on a baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, just until the edges are lightly golden. Let the cookies cool completely before decorating with icing. Next, let's make chocolate-covered strawberries, simple, elegant, and always impressive. You'll need 12 large strawberries, washed and completely dried, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Melt the chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl using 30-second intervals, stirring between each round until smooth. Dip each strawberry into the melted chocolate, allowing the excess to drip off. Place the strawberries on parchment paper and refrigerate for about 30 minutes, until the chocolate sets. Now for something a little more indulgent, a raspberry chocolate tart. You'll need 1 pre-made tart crust, 1 cup of heavy cream, 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, chopped, and 1 cup of fresh raspberries. Heat the heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Remove it from heat and pour it over the chopped chocolate. Stir until smooth and glossy. Pour the chocolate ganache into the tart crust and let it set at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Top with fresh raspberries and refrigerate until ready to serve. Next up are strawberry shortcake parfaits, light, fresh, and easy to assemble. You'll need 2 cups of sliced fresh strawberries, 1 cup of whipped cream, and 2 cups of crumbled shortcake or pound cake. In a clear glass, start with a layer of cake. Add a layer of whipped cream, followed by strawberries. Repeat the layers until the glass is full, finishing with whipped cream on top. Now let's make creamy cheesecake bites, perfect for parties and sharing. You'll need 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter, then press the mixture into a mini muffin tin. In a separate bowl, beat the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Spoon the filling over the crusts and bake for about 20 minutes, until set. Allow them to cool completely before removing from the pan. For a quick no-bake option, try Valentine's Day trail mix. You'll need 1 cup of almonds, 1 cup of dried cranberries, 1 cup of dark chocolate hearts, 1 cup of pretzels, and 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Simply combine everything in a large bowl and mix well. Store in an airtight container or portion into gift bags for sharing. To finish things off, let's blend up Love Potion smoothies. You'll need 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and half a cup of milk. Add everything to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into glasses and serve immediately. These easy Valentine treats prove that homemade doesn't have to be complicated, just heartfelt. Be sure to check out this video for more.